Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at cattle animals batch lists. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then on farm and events, this will take me to my current grid of animals. If I right click on any animal and choose batches and then we go to animal batch list, this will bring up the list of all the batches that this particular animal is in. We can do a couple of things from this screen. If we want to look at which other animals are in that specific batch, we can do this by choosing the yellow folder icon here. So for example, if I choose Aberdeen Angus and open it up, you can see that this batch has been brought in at the bottom of the grid. If I wanted to remove an animal from a batch, we can also do this from this screen, but to do this we would simply choose the bin on the right hand side. So we will just remove this animal from that batch, and as you can see they've been taken out of that batch now. Hopefully some of the things you've watched will help you maximise your use of the programme. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.